Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust time settings for your Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this, we'll need to open up the settings. You can head there by a start as well. Right here, go for time and language, date and time. Here, disable set time automatically to adjust the time manually. You can also use this setting as it's quite good, I must say. And if you want to change the time manually, go down and select change. Here you can adjust the date as well as the time. Make sure to click on change afterwards to save the settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.